Hey everyone, this is Brother Wadham here. I wanted to do a quick review of the discussions because the way the discussions are set up here in iLearn, it is a little confusing. If you go to your discussions page, you'll see that it starts with the questions and conversations, getting to know you, the things you'll do first, and things that you've already been discussing. Right now we're on the FLA thesis statements. But notice that even that is a little backwards because you're doing that now, but you already did your perfecting the theme discussions and the Tuelos poem discussions. But then here, as you continue to scroll down, there is the Marxist analysis of a text, which won't be happening until we start on theory-based analysis. And even then, after that, there's research outlines, which you won't be doing until closer to the end of the semester. Then there is a spot for posting about journals and editorial board collaboration. But then, if you keep on scrolling down, you see that you have discussion boards for posting your first FLA submission, then your second, after it's been reviewed by your editorial board, then your third, which is the final submission. So there's a separate board for submitting each of those, and the same with TBA, submission 1, submission 2, final submission, and then your research paper. So just make sure that you keep scrolling down so that you don't miss anything.